Hey, it's Awesome Tiger here. And guess what we're doing today? We're making snow cones, which is surprising, right? Because I usually make stuff like fried rice, omelets, scrambled eggs, stuff like that, basic stuff. This time we're going deep into stuff that most people don't even know, but it's very simple. And it's healthier than ice cream. Better than ice cream too. Okay, so basically the ingredients are a little water, some ice, a tiny little Dixie cup, a blender, and some Gatorade. You can choose a flavor. I just chose fruit punch. It's not like it matters what flavor of Gatorade. Okay, so now let's start. First we put the ice in the blender. And now that that's done, we put some water in. Put it to almost as much height as the ice is. So I just need to add a little more. This isn't really a powerful blender. It's more for smoothies. So you have to put more water in it. Usually you don't even have to put water. But since it's a low power blender, guess I have to, or else it won't even blend. Okay, now you lock it on, hold the top and blend. And I think that should be enough. Let's just check. There's no spoon. Just spoon to check how good it is. It's pretty good. Nice and soft. Needs to be really soft and fluffy. It's like a pet dog except super cold. Okay, now you put all that water and just drain it out. Don't let any ice fall into there. Freezing cold. And now you just scoop some ice out of the blender. Put some in the Dixie cup. Head it down so you can put more ice in it. It's cold. And now that that's filled, pour a little Gatorade in. And now all you have to do is dip your spoon in and do it like this a little, so it's still nice and soft. Because it starts to get a little icy, so pour the liquid in it. Okay, now just dip in and enjoy. Best snow cone ever. And it's easy. Okay, bye.